Hello everyone. In my previous video, I have discussed about the Google Doc. So there I have discussed everything about the Google Doc, that how you can use that instead of using your MS Office Word, and what are the advantages of using the Google Doc. So continuing the same video, in this part 2 I will be discussing about the spreadsheet. That is very much similar to MS Office Excel. So let's begin. Now again you need to follow my cursor. See where it is going? It is going right top. Again at the same place, that is the 9 dots. So now you need to click on this 9 dots. Again on Google Drive, and another tab is opened. Here you would have all the options. Now again you follow my cursor, it is going left top at the plus sign and also written new. So click on this. So in the previous class, as we have discussed about this Google Docs, so in this class we will be discussing about Google Sheet. So let's click on this Google Sheet. Another tab is opened and this is your Excel sheet basically. You can do anything whatever you want. You can enter any data, you can enter any number, you can enter anything that you want. Okay, so all the options are here, like file, you can share it. Once you made it, you can share it with your friends or with your teacher or with whomever you want to share. All the same options that we have already discussed: import, make a copy, download, make available offline, so rename, publish to the web. So all those options are there. From here you can make it Microsoft Excel, you can also convert it in PDF. So all the options are here, you don't need to worry about for anything. Okay, not only this, if you click on edit, so in edit you have all those options: copy, paste, paste a special, paste value only. See all those options that you get in Excel sheet, that is available here. Okay, view, so you can view the things if you want: grid lines, protected ranges, formula if you want to apply formula, so all those things. Insert, if you want to insert something, a column, a row, or whatever the things, chart, image. See, even you can insert image here as well, drawing, form, so all those things you can do here, no issue. Format, you can change the format as you want based on your interest and requirement. Data is here, so data validation, pivot table, so all the options you can see here, you have all the options. Tools, so you have the tools, spelling check and everything here. Add-on, that is another advantage, that you have this additional button or facility. Okay, however, the basic thing I know that you know, but if you want something more, you want to develop a chart or diagram or by diagram kind of thing, you can do it here. I will show you how to do that. The basic thing I believe you must know. So I will show you how to make a bar diagram here in Excel sheet. So what you need to do, you need to take first parameter. Maybe I am considering person, name and height in cm. See, Ram 165, Shyam 191 cm, Mohan 176 Sohan 185, Rohan 155. So you can check here how to make this data or convert this data into a chart or bar diagram. Okay, so what I will do, I just selected this much area. Okay, and then I will click on this insert, and here there is option chart. Okay, so now I will click on this chart. See, it is showing here height in centimeter and person's name here. Person name, that is PER. So let's correct it, PERSON, person name. Now the chart is ready with you. However, if you want any modification, edit chart, delete chart, download, see, all options are here on these three dots. But however, if you want to edit this chart, see, another pop-up window came here. Setup, a scatter chart. This chart is a scattered chart. So now say you want to change this in different format like this. So like this it happened. You can take any shape that you want to take. See, like this, isn't it? So see how easy to develop a chart in this sheet. Column chart. So see, there are a lot of options. The way you want, you can choose. Rohan, Ram and all. Sohan, Shyam. See, so pie chart. Okay. Okay. So this is the thing. Now, if you want to customize that, you can do that as well. See, chart style, reset type. Now use 3D model. See, now it is showing as a 3D model. Now if you want to change the color, you can choose the color of your choice. It's the border, that is color is changed. Background color, you can say you can take background color like this yellow. This background color is changed. Now font color, the font you can change here. Now font you can change from here. See, wide changed. Chart access, titles, so you can change the title here. Okay, series. See, you can change this color as well. If you want to put that instead of blue, you want to put that red, it is red. Okay, you can also customize this as per your interest, choice, requirement. Okay, so this is how you can do that. Legend, you can create legend. Okay, so this is what? None. Horizontal axis, wide, auto, text color. Text color, if you want to put blue, you can do that, blue. Okay, default. Vertical axis, okay, vertical axis text color, you also want to put that blue, do it blue. Grid lines color, say you want to make it green. Okay, it is green. Okay, so whatever you want, you can do it here. So this is how you can make the chart in the Excel sheet. So this is you can make the things. And now from here you can download it, delete chart, edit chart, download it in the PNG format, PDF format, scalable vector graphics. So many options are there, so that you can make this and you can give it to any person, or wherever you want to put this chart to insert in some other document, you can do that. Okay, so this is what you can do this. Wherever matter of doing certain editing kind of work in this, you can do that. All the options, bold, italic, underline, everything is here. The color fill, so everything is there. See, you can fill the color, so everything is there. You can do it here. And advantages that I have already discussed in my previous video while discussing the Google Doc. Same advantages are applied in this context as well. So it is a permanent kind of work that you will never lose. Whenever if you lose your laptop, desktop or whatever, so it will be there. You can show it, you can share it, and whatever you want you can do that. So this is all about the Google spreadsheet. Okay, so however, you do not forget to rename it whatever you want to rename. Person and height. So its name is, now I put enter. Now its name is persons and height. Okay, sheet 1. If you want to add sheet 2, you can use sheet 2 as well. You can keep on adding sheet 3, so that everything is same. There is no change. Now you decide yourself. Is it easy to work on Google Sheet and Google Doc, or working on your system that is more beneficial? Which one is beneficial? You can decide now yourself. Okay, so all the options are available with added advantages, so you can or you should use this Google Sheet instead of MS Office Excel sheet. However, as I have also discussed in my previous video, that if your internet connection is something like not permanent, not consistent, and a speed is low, as it requires internet connectivity continuously, so in that condition what you can do, again the same suggestion, that is you can work in your Excel sheet and then copy paste here, so that you can save your work permanently. So that option is always there with you. So whatever convenient for you, either you start working on this only, or you can work there, I mean on Excel sheet, MS Office Excel sheet, and then you can copy paste that work here as well. Okay, so that you remain tension free. So whatever happened to your laptop, that doesn't matter to you. You always ready with your project on time. Okay, so for this video this is all. In my part 3rd, I will be discussing about the PPT, PowerPoint presentation. In the meantime, you just practice Google Sheet, and if you have any query, you can put that in the comment box. You will get the answer. Wish you good luck. See you in next video.